Fully active people. Chicken soup cooked outside on the coal stove. That is it. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. It's a good vibes. Look at the sky. Yeah! We're outside and fully active people. So today, I'm not sure what we're doing yet. So I can't do exactly how we start the intro normally. But we're in Chingford Mount. Alright, Chigwell. And there's a shop here that we're on our way to. It's a really authentic Jamaican shop. And they've got some really cool things that we're gonna buy. And we're gonna buy something today for the garden, which is sick. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Just across the road there. And that is where we're going. Yeah. And this is it, people. This is the shop. Chigwell Mount. It is Chigwell Mount, isn't it?
No, Chingford.
Chingford. We're gonna put the exact location below. But this is what's special here, people. Look. Proper coal stove. Look at that. Put that in the garden next to the barbecue. You can do your rice and peas same time. Cook up some soup. All them thing there. So you know, say it's all about outside. There's a big bag of charcoal. But let's just show you what's going on in the shop here as well. Big up the general, fully active.
Yeah, man, that's nothing.
Big up every time, enough
yeah.
respect. Good people, good people. Good, humble, nice, welcoming people, you know. So if you want to forward and get your things them, you got all your biscuits there, look. And have a jelly coconut, plantain, everything you need for your soup, your yam and cocoa and dasheen and whatnot. Banana, ginger, plantain chips. Got the proper bottle D&Gs there. Even got the boom, look. Yeah, good vibes. You see the love? Big up my general, man.
Yeah, man, that's it,
Enough
man.
respect, you know.
Yeah, man. One
The
drink,
man bless me with this. This is what I was here for, people. You understand? Because you don't know my channel. Them love the outside cooking thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, anytime we're outside and with dirt pan and them thing there, they love it. So,
Yeah, man.
fans, anyone that's near this area, you need to come check out the shop. You know what I'm saying? Give them a support. Make sure you share it on Instagram. Make the people them know we're here. Everything you need is here. I ain't even showed you all the stuff yet. But you know what I'm saying? I just want to bless up General, you know what I mean, for the gift.
Man,
A good vibes, man. Enough respect, you know.
love, you know?
That is it. Yeah. That is it. Original coal stuff. So if you don't know what this is, people, like this, you know, old school, this is what, you know, your grandmas would have cooked in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Oh, when I go to my bridges, their mums will still have them.
Yeah, man.
And there's, them thing there is
So-
like
so
original
the thing
cooking. You see me?
Get your pot.
Outside,
You
yeah.
need a mesh on the top. You just drop that.
Yeah, that is it.
You're good.
And you're good to go.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah. The original.
So that's what you're going to be seeing for the next few episodes, people. We're going to cook something today. On this episode, we're going to cook something today. So you're going to see it at work today, people. That is it. As you can see, every drink you need. Irish moss. Boom. Bigger. Sea moss there. You got scallion. You got your Scotch bonnet and thyme. You know, key ingredients or whatever you're cooking. All your little peas and seasonings, everything there, people. Zimmy sauces, jerk seasonings. Anything that I use on the channel, you can pretty much get here. So this is a very authentic seasoning to use. This one here. Got the green seasoning there. Oh, what's this one? Pepper sauce. You know, I never tried that pepper sauce there. But yeah, got your snacks and everything there as well. Little hair products. So you're cooking here. All right. So sometimes in the summertime, you run some jerk and them thing there, and you know what I'm saying. You got all the spices here, your roots and them something there. Fresh patties in there. Yeah. Everything you need. Kool-Aid, Lasco, everything there, people. So let's do the right thing. We're gonna reach back to the yard and cook up a soup or something, wherever it is we're gonna be using the coal stove, you know what I'm saying? So, now that's proper, man. I love that. I love that he loved the fact, I didn't want to bait it up too much in there, but you know what I mean? I love the fact that he loved that man's cooking outside on the proper yard thing. And as a Jamaican, he probably thought, yeah, man, do you know what? I'm gonna bless him up. See how long I ain't got a present for? That's proper made my day. That's proper made me happy, that is. I love that, man. Yeah, people. Come to get the rest of my ingredients for the soup. Just coming from getting my ingredients. I love it when the fields look like that. Yellow fields. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you use it, people. Yeah, you just put your little firelighters or whatever you're gonna light your coal with underneath there. You put your coal on top. You know what I'm saying? Wait for that to get white and ready. And then you can just use a one mesh there, chuck it on top and put your pot on top, you know what I'm saying? That is it, we're fully active in the garden, people. Chicken soup. Fully active. As you can see, people, we are up and running now. So yeah, like I said, you just light the bottom bit, you know what I mean? Put your coal on top. And if you watch Cook and Vibe, I've had these over the years, so you would know about it. But yeah, chicken soup. The first stage is to get the water nice and hot. Obviously, you're gonna need chicken, chop up your chicken, wash it, whatnot. That goes in first. So first of all, you're gonna get your chicken inside. You know what I'm saying? Chop up your chicken, wash it. That is it, get that inside. Yes, people, so we got some bits and bobs here. First of all, whilst the chicken is in, what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna add a few scallion in there. Now we're just gonna give these a little wash. That is it. Now we ain't worried, this is the outside cooking. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna plant them in the ground. Yeah, people, I'm gonna plant them in the ground. But yeah, scallion, it don't have to be, literally can just chop that in half and then we'll just rip it again. That is it, and chuck that straight in. Good vibes. The next thing we're gonna do, we'll cut up an onion and put that in. You know what I love about cooking outside? Like even when you cut up the onion or whatever, like all these vegetable things is just good for the ground anyway. So all this stuff can just dash. Yeah, it goes back into nature. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all right. Chop up this onion, get that in there. That is it, fully active. If you haven't subscribed already, people, please do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving. Big up the G-man for giving me the coal pot. I love that, that proper made my day. All right, cool. We've got our onion ready. Let's get that in there. Good vibes. Next thing is we're gonna add some pimento seeds. So we're just getting little seasoning in there right now, people, you know what I'm saying? All right, people, now we've got our seasonings in. We get the lid back on that. We got our scallion, we got our chicken, we got our onion and some pimento seeds. Put this onion aside here. Put the yam aside there. What we're gonna do next is this butternut squash. Now, you really wanna be using pumpkin, but where I'm in Kent, you can't really get pumpkin like that. But butternut squash can be a substitute. if you can't get pumpkin, you know. So we're gonna cut up this, and this is what's gonna go in next. Yeah, that is it, people. All right, give them a little wash, and then just chop them up. Just cubes like that. So basically, this is kind of like the flavor. This like builds up the flavor, people. You get me? So you want it to mush out. That's the goal. Last bit, people. Yeah, so like I said, we want this to kind of mush out. So at this point, we're not putting any dry seasoning in. We're not putting any of the yam or the potato or anything in yet. We just want to cook it now until this mushes out into nothing and gives it that natural color. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, last bits here. Fully active. So we've got our chicken, we've got our scallion, onion, pumpkin, not pumpkin, butternut squash. So yeah, we're just gonna put the lid back on now and let that go on. It's me. Make it all mush out. We can start cutting up our other vegetables and get them ready. In the meantime, yes. Fully active. Hope everybody's all right, man. Again, if you haven't subscribed, do the right thing. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just peel off our potatoes. These are some local Kent red potatoes. So give these a peel. You know what I'm saying, people? We are outside now. Now we've got the barbecue, we've got the coal pot, we've got the whole kitchen outside. You know what I'm saying? Good vibes. As I say, we're just building the flavor up in that in the soup first before we put any dry seasoning or any hard food or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Peel the potatoes, give them a little wash. So wash off the potatoes. Actually, let me wash that knife first. Give them another dip. That is it. They're good like that. Put it in there. Yeah, and just cut these up, people. And then we're gonna cut up the yam next. That is it. Look, people. Now, if you look at this yam, right, if you can see there, there's like a root. You see that root? I'm gonna plant it. I'm gonna cut off this part of the yam. I'm gonna plant this and see if it grows. Yeah, because the other one inside didn't work. So let me cut this piece off. There we go. It's got the root there. So we're gonna plant that and see what I want. I'm just gonna chop up the yam and get that ready to go in as well. Yeah. Have to be careful with yam because it will scratch your hand. Yeah. Good vibes. Put that into wash. Yeah. Give everything a little wash. Need to change this water in a minute. Good like that. That is it. Good vibes. Cut this one a bit more. Good vibes, people. All right, let me change this water. I'll tell you what we do need, people, is we need time. Yeah. Yeah. Fully active, my father, you hear that? Time. Get that a little wash. Vibes. Fresh. Straight from the yard. All right. Let's give this a little stir around and see what I want. So what we're looking for is a kind of mush of these parts. Once they start mushing, if that makes sense, then we're ready to go to the next stage. We're not far off, a couple minutes I think, but you can see the colour changing naturally from the butternut squash, which should be pumpkin, but like I say, you can use this. Do you know what? I think it's pretty nearly ready. A couple minutes. Let me give it a good mush round and see what I want. Look, people, you see how that's like mushed? That's how we want it. So this is ready for the next stage now. Find any other big bits like that, mush them. See there? Good vibes. See how we got that colour? Yeah. That is from the butternut squash. That's what I'm saying. No, remember, no dry seasonings have gone in there yet. But we're gonna start adding some more seasonings now. Scotch bonnet, at this point, goes in. See if we can get it in from here. Hey! Fully active. All right, what's next? Dry seasoning. A little bit of this. And a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Get some of that in there. Season up. Here's it be. Maggi seasoning. I'll get some of that in there, people. And that is it for the dry seasoning. Yeah, we're gonna get our yam and our yam and our potato in next. Now we've got colour. Wait, that landed on my hand. Now we've got colour. Look at that, people. Yeah, man. Good vibes outside in the garden. Look at that banana leaf. Yes, people. Good vibes. All right, let's add the yam and the potato now. Yam. Fully active. Gotta have some Irish in there, of course. I don't want to overflow the soup. Let's see what's going on here. Some more of them Irish in there, people. Oh, just way better aesthetic in the summer, people, innit? I feel like that might be good. Give that a little stir. See how much space we got. Okay, that's quite full up already. But not too much more is going in there. Some dumplings. That's about it. So 2 more Irish in there. 1 more yam. 1 more yam. That is it. Good vibe. Yeah, let's get our spinner dumplings ready. Yes, people. All right, let's add some dumplings in here now. Get some spinners in there. That is it. Put it into a bowl. Yeah. Good vibes, people. I'm so happy I've got this. I'm gonna be cooking everything outside now. Literally, nothing is getting cooked in the kitchen now. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing, man. Press that like button. Get the video moving, people. I promise you, people. You see the smell. There's something about cooking outside on the coals that just gives it a better flavor, man. Just gives it a way better flavor. Everything is just in there nicely. You know what I'm saying? So that's it now, people. We just let this go on now. Good vibes. Chicken soup in the garden on the coal stove. Big up the general. Yes, people. In the meantime, got a little jelly coconut. I wanna open this up first. That is it. Yeah. Sorry, people, I was concentrating then. All right, cool. There we go. And maybe there. There we go. Fully active. As you can see, that was not a bad chop of that coconut, was it, people? It's a good one as well. Full of water. Don't know if you can see in there, but yeah. I got this from the same shop. I've got a coal pot as well, so. Cheers, Cook and Vibe. Cheers to sunshine, you know? Cheers to sunshine, cheers to better episodes, better aesthetics, and just all round better. This water looks really, really clean and nice to know. Yeah. Cleans your heart. Fresh coconut water cleans your heart. Never ever drink coconut water in a you know, like in the cartons and that. It's cool, like it's good to drink it, but it's not for me. I need fresh coconut, otherwise I don't really like it. Last little drip for nature. Good vibes. Let's give it one chop. Yeah. And then inside you got the jelly. As you can see, we get a spoon and scoop that out. Jelly inside the coconut. Scoop it out. So good for you. Again, I don't like the dry coconut. It's not very nice. You know, like the tough one. A little bit of it. You need that bit. Yeah. Chicken soup. Shouldn't be done, people. Fully active. That is it. Get some chicken in there. Some Irish in there. Get some. So actually, you should have really added like a soup mix, but I didn't have none. It's the chicken soup mix or pumpkin soup mix. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just want to make sure I get everything in my bowl. Some yam there. Good vibes. Where's the dumpling? More dumpling. Yeah. That is it. Good vibes. There we go, people. Chicken soup. Cooked outside on the coal stove. Look at that. Yeah. Good vibes. Dumpling and everything. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's taste it. Big up, man. Big up, people. Let's taste this a bit of Irish with the juice. Oh my God, that's good. Just the juice alone is crazy. Do you know what it is? Bit of chicken. Cooking outside. You can't beat it. You literally can't beat it. This is amazing. I forgot the difference and how it is when you cook outside. It's hot, so I can't keep it in my hands, people. But yeah, big up yourself. Enough respect for watching, you know? Look at the steam off the spoon. Enough respect for watching. We're a bad boy, so we can check it. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing, man. Get that video moving. And I will see you. Little pimento seed there. I'll see you again very soon.